welcome to our channel. Today we will learn computer vocabulary in English. Let's start. Computer, computer. Monitor, monitor. Screen, screen. Keyboard, keyboard. Key, key. Mouse, mouse. Speakers, speakers. Headphones, headphones. Microphone, microphone. Webcam, webcam. Tower case, tower case. Chair, chair. Desk, desk. Desktop, desktop. Joystick, joystick. Printer, printer. Modem, modem. DVD, DVD. Flash drive, flash drive. Graphics card, graphics card. Motherboard, motherboard. Hard drive, hard drive. Memory RAM, memory RAM. CPU processor, CPU processor. Fan, fan. PSU, power supply unit, power supply unit. Extension code, extension code. Socket PowerPoint, socket PowerPoint. Cable, cable. USB cable, USB cable. Laptop, laptop. Laptop bag, laptop bag. Tablet, tablet. Internet, internet. Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi. Bluetooth, Bluetooth. PC, personal computer. PC, personal computer. Drone, drone. Robot, robot. Barcode scanner, barcode scanner. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.